Hi, this is Thomas from MarsMoonSpace.com. Take a good look at this awesome context image. This is a satellite image. This is the surface of Mars. And look carefully on it. We had NASA coming out telling us that there had been water on Mars in 2015. That was the huge news from NASA that year. Take a good look at this image up here. Let's take a look at it. That looks like old dried out rivers, and you even have a waterfall here, or what used to be a waterfall, and you can follow the river down here. Now look at this area here. I might not be a geological expert, but to me that darker color makes me believe that the area is still wet. You don't see the water, but I believe the water is still running from time to time in these old canals or rivers, as you see here. This is an awesome picture. This is a great picture. I so much wanted to give this waterfall a name, but since it was my good friend Neville who came with the picture to me, I choose to call it Neville's Waterfall. I can guarantee you we will be back with more awesome pictures like this one, with water channels, rivers, a little lake up here, waterfalls, and you can still see the area down here seems to have another color, which to me indicates that there still is some water in the ground, in the surroundings here. This is an awesome one. This is a really awesome one. I will leave you with the view to this lake and this waterfall until we see it again. Take care. Bye.